Alright guys, welcome back to another futures trade plan. Today is the 11th of October. This is going to be the trade plan for the 12th of October, the Monday session. Going into Monday, we are already expecting an open higher on all of the indices. Pretty much just on a pretty bullish close on Friday. We closed pretty much at the top of the range on the ES here. Okay, one thing to note is we did leave a poor high and a poor low. Okay, which is not that good of a sign. Okay, this is getting a little bit emotional up here. Okay, nothing to alarm you of a reversal coming in, a possible reversal coming in, or anything really that should kind of scare you, at least if you're a bull. Okay, so far things are pretty stable. Buyers are pretty much in control. And so we're going to use the point of control as our line in the sand. Above this price, we're going to be bullish. Okay, and also remember we have a poor high. Obviously, it means we are very likely to take it out, which we already have. It's trading at, as of right now, we're trading at 34.76, which is already higher than the high of Friday. But we should see some trading near the high of day if we don't open too far away tomorrow. This poor low should stay here for future reference. It's also a gap, as you guys can see here. So if we do get a sell-off in a couple days, or like just a liquidation event, we will come down to fill these levels and these areas right here. Okay, and then obviously, as you expect, the market filling an area, it should usually rotate inside a little bit, fill it in, and then continue doing what it's doing. But anyways, that's gonna be it for the ES. Now moving into the NQ. Same idea. Okay, this action is much more cleaner. We have a good tail on the NQ. Okay, the NQ is very well structured for the buyers. Okay, so if you're a buyer, you're kind of happy with the NQ right now. Okay, because it's very nice structure. Okay, now we don't really care about anything else apart from this point of control. There is no other references that I'm worried about. Up here we have really nothing until 1200, I mean 12,000. We have some imbalances up here. But apart from that, we have pretty clear skies up above us. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just look for an open higher. Okay, again, you want to see like a hold at the open. So if we open, let's say up here, you want to look for a hold. Price going sideways, maybe go down a little bit, but nothing too much. You don't want to see an open and a sell off right off the open. You don't want to see that. Okay? If you get a sell off from the open, you wanna see the point of control holding that sell off, right? And if it holds it, then you're okay. But if the sell off is way too strong, it's just gonna blast right through this, likely fill the gaps or the imbalances below. Not on the NQ. The NQ doesn't have any imbalances or anything. It does have, however, a point of control right here, which we're gonna mark out, prominent point of control. So this is gonna be a target if we do go to the downside on the NQ. And that's pretty much it for the NQ. Let's move on to the YM. It's a really simple trade plan today. There's really nothing crazy or nothing like anything too complicated. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, we no longer need these. Okay, we're gonna use this point of control. We want to mark out prominent points of control. They're magnets for price. Okay, and the same idea. point of control. Above, we are bullish. Okay, on the YM, we have an imbalance up here. So if we do get above, we should expect to see some rotation, fill in the prices, go higher. Okay, and that will take us to these imbalances up here. Rotate, okay, fill it in, and then continue. Okay, that's the same thing for all three. Again, if you see an open higher, okay, you want to see some sort of buying going on at the open. You don't want to see an immediate sell-off. If you see an immediate sell-off, okay, that's a warning sign. Okay, be careful with any longs or any long trades that you want to take. Okay, just kind of wait it out a little bit. Don't be too aggressive if we do get a sell-off um, from the open. Okay, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Again, if you guys have any questions, you guys know where to find me. Just reach out to me in the free futures chat room over here, where I just interact with you guys and I answer any questions you may have about the trade plans or about anything really. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, and make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next one.